That's your waist. Uku. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we speak Igbo. In this channel, I teach you how to speak Igbo. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the parts of the body. We are going to be learning the parts of our body, the part of your body, your head, your hand, your nose, your mouth. We are going to be learning it in this video. We are going to be learning what all these things are called in Igbo language. Keep watching and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Let's start. Head. This is your head. 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 Head is called isi. Head is called isi. Head is called isi. Hair. Hair. Hair is called ntutu. Hair is called ntutu. Remember, head, the head is called isi. Isi. Then your hair is called ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Eye. Your eyes. Eyes is called anya. Eye is called anya. Eye is called anya. Eye is called anya. 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 Eyebrows. 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 Your eyebrows is called nkuku anya. Nkuku anya. Nkuku anya is called eyebrows. Nkuku anya. Eyebrows. Nkuku anya. Your lashes, your eyelash. This your eyelash. Can you say it? This your eyelash. Mbobo anya. Mbobo anya. Mbobo anya. That is your eyelash. It's called mbobo anya. Nose. Your nose is called imi. Imi. That's your nose. Imi. Your nose is imi. Mouth. Mouth is called ono. Mouth is called ono. Your mouth. Your mouth is called ono. Ono. Lips. This is your lips. Here. This is your lips. Your lips is called igbere ono. Igbere ono. That's your lips. Igbere ono. Teeth. Teeth. Teeth is called eze. Teeth is called eze. Eze. That's teeth. Eze is called teeth. Eze. Eze. That is teeth. Your tongue. Tongue is called ire. Ire. That's your tongue. Ire. That's your tongue. Ire. Tongue. Ire. Neck. Neck. Your neck is called olu. This is your olu. Your neck is called olu. Neck is called olu. Olu. That's your neck. Hand. This is your hand. Hand. Hand is called aka. Hand is called aka. 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 That's your hand. Your hand is called aka. Your fingers. Fingers. Your fingers. Here's your fingers. Your fingers is called mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. That's your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Elbow. Elbow. This is your elbow. Your elbow is called ichere aka. Ichere aka. That's your elbow. Your elbow is called ichere aka. Your elbow is called icheraka. Breast. Your breast is called ara. 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 Your breast is called ara. That's breast. Ara. Your stomach. Stomach is called afo. Stomach is called afo. Stomach is called afo. 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 Good. That's your stomach. Laps. Your laps is called apatooko. Your laps is called apatooko. Leg. Your leg is called ụkwụ. Your leg is called ụkwụ. Ụkwụ, that's leg. Ụkwụ. Your knee. Knee is called ikpere. Ikpere. Ikpere ụkwụ. You can say ikpere ụkwụ. Ikpere. Ikpere ụkwụ. That's your knee. Ikpere ụkwụ. Toes. Toes. Your toes is called mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. That's your toes. Mkpịsị. Remember, your fingers are mkpịsị aka. Fingers is mkpịsị aka. Right? Fingers is mkpịsị aka. Toes. Your toes is mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. That's your toes. Buttocks. Buttocks is bum bum. Your bum bum. Bum bum, that is buttocks. Buttocks is called ike. 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 That's your buttocks. Ike. Waist. Your waist. Waist is called uku. Uku. That's your waist. Your waist is called uku. Uku. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.